A portable blender lets you whip up a smoothie or a protein shake at the gym, office, picnic site, or anywhere else, as long as it's charged. These cordless wonders can cost as little as the price of a pizza or as much as a countertop blender. We tested top models at a range of prices to learn whether more money buys you a smoother drink. There are numerous options for cheap portable blender, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable portable blender from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender. Ninja blending anywhere. Blast through frozen ingredients with Ninja's best portable blending power. Make perfectly smooth drinks anywhere you go. Large capacity. Makes up to 18 ounces of your favorite blends. Premium colors. Choose a color that best fits your style. Easy to carry. Take your drink on the go with a comfortable, hinged carry handle. Sip lid. Easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink in the same vessel. Easy to clean. The lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. The blender can also self-clean with a 30-second blend cycle with water and a drop of dish soap. Ninja Blast technology. The ribbed vessel creates a vortex while the durable, stainless steel blast blade assembly blasts through ice and frozen ingredients. Number 2. Because Portable Blender. 2-in-1 design and extra silicone straws. The lid has directly drinking function. You can drink it like a normal 380 milliliters water bottle directly through the mouth on the bottle cap, or just pop in the silicone straw and enjoy. Don't have to prepare another cup to fill the drink after mixing. You can enjoy fresh smoothie wherever and whenever you want. Updated blades and higher speeds and more battery capacity. Built-in 6 pieces SUS 304 blades and 3D and rotation speed up to 22,000 RPM/min. The portable blender can easily liquidize anything including small ice cubes in no time. Built-in rechargeable 4,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, 2x2,000 mAh. 20 to 25 cups of juice can be squeezed on a full charge. Perfect for shakes and smoothies, juice, protein shaker, salad dressings, etc. Safe material and multiple security protection. The blender body is made of the same Triton material as the baby bottle. Our products not only build in mechanical safety device that if the components are not properly assembled, but also 100% overcharged, overheated protection for batteries, extending the life of it. Fully guarantee the safety of users. Tips. Please don't use the blender when charging or running without anything. Number 3. Jiiri Cho Portable Blender. Unique one-handed drinking smoothie blender. Thanks to its genius industrial design, our Jiiri Cho small blender is the world's first one-handed drinking blender for shakes and smoothies. This mini blender works hard so you don't have to. Just snap the seal lip open and closed so it's sealed shut and leak-proof when you're done sipping. Ultra-smart safety protection. Our confidence in safety comes from the dual protection system and material. Griecho single-serve blender is featuring intelligent, power-off protection, overload protection. In addition, it made with food-grade non-toxic and eco-friendly Triton material, as well as totally BPA-free. You'll fall in love with this powerhouse. Blending wherever and whenever. This portable blender with rechargeable USB goes beyond just smoothies and shakes. It can grate cheese, mince garlic, and even make frozen cocktails thanks to its high-speed mixer system. Charge using a laptop, with a power bank, a USB charger, or even in the car. Number 4. Leeza Portable Blender. Blend and go. Portable blender blend fruit smoothies, milkshakes, and your favorite chilled beverages in a 14-ounce BPA-free travel jar. Then grab it and go. The blender jar comes with a travel lid and can be used as a travel mug. It's portable, lightweight, and fits in most car cup holders. Powerful blending performance. The durable stainless steel blade on the portable blender gives smooth results with ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients to your diets, such as smoothies and protein shakes. Quick and easy cleanup. Never having to clean the portable smoothie blender again. Just add water and an optional drop of soap, and run your blender until it is clean. So cleaning up is it's easy to clean up. Compact design fits most cups. The small size of the personal blender makes it perfect for the home, office, travel, small dorm rooms, and apartments. Number 5. Bozik Portable Blender. Powerful Portable Blender. Our 270W Portable Smoothie Blender features 6 sharp stainless steel blades, low working noise, and a rotational speed of up to 18,000 RPM, allowing you to easily crush ice cubes, frozen fruits, and vegetables. Make a nutritious smoothie or milkshake in just 30 seconds. Detachable Cup Jar Design. This portable blender has a detachable 20-ounce, 600 milliliters, BPA-free cup, easily replaced with a travel bottom cover for on-the-go use. Cleaning is easy as the personal-size blender can be disassembled into 3 parts: lid, cup jar, blender base, and we also provide cleaning tools such as a straw brush, cup brush, and blade cleaning cloth. Blend and Pulse Mode. Our personal blender comes with dual modes. Blending mode is ideal for soft foods like strawberries, bananas, and kiwis, and automatically stops after 30 seconds. Pulse mode is perfect for frozen fruits, jams, ice cubes, and some hard ingredients. Double-click the switch, and the indicator light will flash yellow to enter pulse mode. Then press and hold to blend, controlling the blending time freely. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.